Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Aslam. So I'm going to start a 30 days learning English challenge and we will try to improve our communication skills, our confidence, our way to speak and present our ideas to the audience, to the people. So this is our day 0, okay? As I'm computer programmer and a software engineer aspiring, so we'll start our day with day 0. So this is our day 0 and today we'll focus on importance of communication skills in a student's life. Whether you are a college students or school students or whether you are working in a company or doing some job, the communication skill plays a very important role in each and every aspect of your life. Whenever you want to express your ideas, whenever you want to share your thoughts and idea to the people, to the audience, then communication skill plays a very important role. I will share my personal journey where lack of communication skills, fear, shyness, stage fear, all these led to complete failure. Okay? So like you have seen, like there are some competitions like hackathons and all. Suppose there is a hackathon and you have created a very good beautiful website with a great amount of features, and it's really a cool website, it's working fine, and you have deployed it very well, you have coded for 24 hours and all. But the final round comes and you have the presentation for your hackathon. Okay, you have to present like what are the features you have made, how it's different from others, how it's going to be sustainable. So you have to basically wrap up in slides and you have to present it to the judges. Okay, and if your communication skill is weak, if you get afraid in front of judges, if you get stage fear, if you get shy, and if you get fumbled in front of the audience, in front of the judges, like even though you are good in developing things, but you might fail there, you might lose in that competition. So that's why it's great, it's very important to avoid every kind of shyness. Okay, you don't have to fear of others, you don't have to see what others are saying to you, what others are judging to you. You have to focus on improving yourself. And if you feel shy in speaking, you can try speaking, you can try practicing in front of a mirror, talk to yourself just 30 minutes a day. That will boost your moral. Okay, that will be a moral support for you. Okay, so if you don't have any friends and all, so you can try it alone at your home, just talk to yourself. And if you have a friend, you just talk to him in English, try to improve your vocabulary, try to learn 30-40 new words daily and try to use it. Instead of learning so many words, at least learn just 5 to 10 words and try to use it in your day to day life. And like how to speak it, just select any random topics in your day-to-day life. Suppose you have gone for a walking, so you can just make small sentence like I am going for a walk. Walking is very important for our life, it's good for health. So basic small sentences you can learn, you can practice. And these small things now, you will not realize, like even by practicing 20 to 30 days, you will see a great change. From zero you will be at a good position. Okay, you will be able to speak basic English. Okay, and your stage fear, your shyness, all these things will be gone. Okay, so if you really wanted to improve, if you really wanted to improve your communication skills, so let's get started. So this was our day 0. So today I told you the importance of communication skills, and even it is very important in job interviews or some okay, so job interviews it's very important. Like in the interviews, the even though you are good in coding or any other field, when the interviewer asks you the question, you must be able to explain your thought clearly to the interviewers. If you are not able to explain, if you are not able to satisfy him with your answers now, you might get rejected. So it's better to practice communication skills. And if you are good in English, so not only India, you have a great value all over the world, be it Middle Eastern countries or Europe or foreign countries. You will be able to talk to the people, you will be able to communicate with the foreign clients. Okay, that will not be a problematic for you. So make sure to learn speaking English. And the best thing to speak in English is just start with yourself, just learn 10 to 5 words every day. Start with your real life scenarios, just speak small sentences, and you will see a great change even within 30 days. So make sure to subscribe, Learn with Aslam, and let's crack this. Let's improve our English. Let's improve our communication skills. If you find this video helpful, if you are also ready to start, then please write in the comment section that we are going to start. And